For us to see an object in the world, first light needs to bounce off that object, then enters our eye through the pupil, which is the hole in the eye, and then gets focused on the back of the eye by the lens. In the back of the eye, there is a neuronal tissue called the retina, and the retina contains photoreceptor cells that are very much similar to the light-sensitive chips that you find in cameras. The light enters the cells. Initially, there's a chemical reaction that gets converted to an electrical signal, and then the electrical signal is processed. So the retina is a little bit like a mini brain, and the processed signal then goes to the very back of the brain, to the visual cortex, where it is finally processed. So in a digital camera, of course, you have pixels that can detect different wavelengths of light. And similarly, in the human retina, the cone cells are responsible for daylight vision. The rod cells are responsible for nighttime vision. When we wake up at night, for example, in a darkened room, our rod cells are fully active. But if you go from a bright light into a dark room, you need a certain period of adaptation. And that's basically the rods becoming acclimated. In contrast, the cone cells are not as sensitive, but they are responsible for detecting millions of different colors. And the way we detect these colors is by turning on and off by different amounts the red detectors, the green detectors, and the blue detectors. And so we can basically put together the information to form, within reason, any color that is coming from the environment.